Hello friends, I Gaurav Savarkar welcomes you to my channel. Today we are discussing about data types in Python, built-in data types. In programming, data types is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types and different types can do different things. Python has the following built-in data types: text type string, numeric type int float complex, sequence type list tuple, range, mapping type dig, set type set, frozen set, boolean type bool, binary types bytes, byte array, and memory wheel. In this section, I am showing you how to create variables of different data types, how to assign values to it, and how to find the type of that variables. Now I am going to create string variable with name string variable and assigning string as hello world enclosed in double quotation. Now I am going to print the values stored in string variable by print statement. It is showing that hello world is a string inside string variable. Now I am going to find the type of the variable by using type function and the variable name inside it. It is showing that it has class type string. Now I am going to create a integer variable by using integer variable as a name and assigning 10 as a number. Now I am going to print the values inside integer variable by using print statement. It is showing it contains 10 as a number integer. Now I am going to check the type of the variable by using type function and the name of variable inside it. It is showing that it belongs to class int. Now I am going to create a float variable by using float variable as a name and assigning value 10.0 because 10 after any decimal point it is taken as float value. Now I am going to print the value inside float variable. Now I am going to find the type of the float variable by using type function float variable. It shows it belongs to class float. Now I am going to create a complex variable using complex variable as a name and storing 1j because in a Python in place of I it takes j as a complex variable. Now printing values inside complex variable. Now finding type of the complex variable. It is showing it belongs to complex type class. Now I am going to create list by using list variable as a name and storing values as apple, banana, apple, mango, banana inside double quotes because it contains string and strings are defined only inside double quotes. Now printing values inside list. Now finding type of the variable using type function. It is showing it belongs to class list. Now I am going to create a tuple. Tuple means it is a form of list, but it does not change or it cannot be modified. To create tuple, we have to define list inside brackets. Now I am going to print tuple by using print statement. Print tuple variable. Now it is showing the values inside tuple. To find the type of tuple, we are going to use type function. Type tuple variable. It is showing it belongs to class tuple. Now I am going to create a range variable. Range is a function that creates numbers from starting range to the ending range. It will take two variables as a parameter, as starting parameter and a ending parameter. Now I am going to create the range variable, and it is going to show you that it starts from range 0 to 6. Now finding type of range variable. Type by using type function. Type range variable. Now I am going to create dictionary by using dictionary variable. Dictionary is a type of list, but it has key and its value. By using key, we can access the value associated with it